Hi, welcome to your channel Stress Free Yoga. I am Manju. So today I'm going to show you Padmasana. I'm sitting in Padmasana. If you want to sit in Padmasana, you need to see that you have flexibility on your ankles, your knee joints, and your hip joints. Today will be stretchings for getting yourself ready for Padmasana. Stretch your legs out, feet straight. Your hands behind are on your knees, a smile on your face, your spine erect, toes inside, knees locked, knees towards the mat, and toes towards your body. Toes out, toes in. Practice this exercise at least for 10 rounds. We start with the next exercise. This is for your ankles. Improving the ankle joints, rotation from your right, center. Start your rotation from the left. Few rotations, at least 10 rotations. This is for your ankle joints. Now we start for our knees to improve the flexibility of your knees. Bend your right knee and hold with both your palms. Now take this up and go in a circle from your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to the center. Now take your leg up, your fingers facing upward, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down. We do with our left leg. Keep the right leg straight, bend your left leg, and we start with a rotation from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Now take your fingers towards the ceiling and open your knee joint. Down, up, down, 3, down, 4, down. So this was a stretch for your knee joints. Now the stretch is for opening your hip joints. I'm sitting in Bhadrasana. Join both the soles of your feet. Hold your toes together and start flapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your spine up. Exhaling, come forward with your lower back and go towards the mat. See your capacity and go towards the mat. Inhaling, center. Exhaling, come forward. This will open the hip joints. Inhaling, center. So this is for your hip opening. Relax in Sukhasana. Inhale and exhale. We need to start with Ardha Padmasana first. When you are easy and comfortable in the pose, so take your right leg and place it at the joint, your abs and your thigh. So this is Ardha Padmasana from your right side. Just be comfortable in this pose and stay in this pose daily at least for 10 minutes for a week's time. Now we change. Keep the right leg down and the left leg up. Left sole, left feet towards the joint of your thigh and your ab. Close your eyes. This is also used for meditation in Hatha Yoga. Daily you need to change, switch and sit in both the postures for at least 10 minutes. After a week, when you see that you are comfortable in the pose, then you start with full Padmasana. The left is already on the joint, the right would go up. When you start with your flexibility on your ankles, your knee joints and your hips, you'll feel very easy and nice. This is the cross-leg pose. Close your eyes. I hope you like these stretches. Stretches help you in advanced asanas also, helping you to open your hip joints. You'll see that if you have a back pain, that will also go. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe my channel so that we stay connected. Watch my next video on a stress busting technique. Thanks a lot. God bless.